What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I had the camera kind of low, so it's pretty nuts. It's not pretty nuts. I've been so basically, by the title of the videos, you guys can see, I really don't know what the title is going to be yet, but I'm sure it's going to have the name of this product on it. By the title of this video, you guys can see that they are sponsoring this video, and I would never in my dreams think that I would actually get such a sponsor from this company who's been around for a really long time, and it's circuithero. It's nothing big, it's pretty much the shifter plate, but I am going with the K-Tune. I am going with the K-Tune shifter route, the bended one, because obviously I'm not K-swap, so I am going with the B and D series K-Tune shifter. I'm picking it up from the boy Andrew with the Midori K, but circuithero jumped on board, and they said, well, they jumped on board because I reached out and I told them I'm gonna do the installation video. Let's get the shifter plate on, and they're sponsoring the video. They're basically sponsoring the video. They're doing a collab, and they send me out a shifter plate in order for me to install it. Excuse me, with the K-Tune shifter. I'll give you guys a quick unboxing of it because I already took it out the box, and I'll show you what the shifter plate looks like. It's something you could obviously Google and look at it, but I'll show you what's in the package. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing, and then let's go ahead and install it. For this video, I will be only installing it. The K-Tune shift, I don't have it yet. I should be getting it next week. As you can see here, it has the placement sticker there where the tag is circuithero shift plate for the EK, and you can find this at circuithero.com, which is right here. And anything, I'll leave a link in the description below where you guys can go grab one for yourself, and it's going to look very good on the EK. That's going to give just such a nice touch to the actual interior. It's going to look maybe a little weird now because I have the stock shifter on. It's still going to look nice because it's a nice little plate, but it's going to look a little weird because I have the stock shifter now. But once I put the K-Tune one and it's the whole shifter complete, it's going to look very nice. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing, and let's do it. Let's jump into it because I'm excited to install this piece, man. It's crazy to have such a sponsor who's been in the Honda game for such a long time, circuithero. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so basically behind the camera, let's go ahead and see what this what the package brings. It actually opens up this way. I have to open it up like this. Just kind of have to pop it up. It's double taped, and you just kind of bring it this way. Let me see if I can maybe point the camera down a little bit, give you guys a better look of it, and we could do something like this. Yeah. All right, so basically, there we go, just a stock shifter. Oh, it comes with the rubber little gasket that goes around it. Let me go ahead and move this to the side. This is the rubber gasket that comes around it. It's pretty long. Probably I have to do a little cut on it. And this is the big boy here. All right, don't see anything else in here? No, that's it. So basically, this is the shifter plate. Go ahead and throw it away. And this basically goes where your shifter goes in here. Then this rubber piece goes in the middle. Goes there with the two screws here and here. And that's about it. It's got the logo right here, circuithero, rare goods for a competition. Excuse me, competition spirit. I'm going through a cold right now. So that's it. This is the shifter plate. Let's go ahead and install it. And yeah, let's go to the car and put it on, man. I'm excited. Alright guys, so basically I'm here in the car, and we got to remove the whole armrest and shifter console in order to install it. So the first thing that we're going to do, let me point the camera down, it's basically you're going to remove the two screws that are here. Let me move the camera back and bring it down a little bit so you guys can see it. We're going to remove the two screws. Well, I don't have one there, but I'm going to remove this one. Definitely got to replace that one because I found them already. When I sent the car off to paint, a lot of those were taken off. So gonna remove one here, and then the other two, which are on the other side, and we could pull this off. We can definitely put that in the cup holder, and then we can pull this off. As you guys can see, I installed the Type R carpet, but you guys have seen that before. we're gonna pull this off, pull the other front one, and go ahead and install it. So let's go ahead into a time lapse, and yeah, let's do it. All right, so the shifter console is removed. Move this to the side, and this is kind of like how she's gonna look when it goes in the middle. Kind of looks like that. So so what we got to do in order to get it, you know, get it working, is basically you got to remove this screws here, and this one's right here, and these are the same ones that are gonna go back when you install it. I am not sure if I could still leave my shifter, my shift boot on it, just so it doesn't look a little weird until I get the K-tune. But it really doesn't matter, because I will be I will be getting the K-tune sometime this week or next week, that I will be getting it. So basically it goes in through here, and you just slide it in like this. So I believe so, that's how it's going. Let's look at the other side. Okay, so it has to go a little bit more up. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, so this is the outlook, and this is how it's gonna look, and that looks very dope. That looks nice. I like that. It looks very nice. Now if you put the shift boot, and let's do a test. If I put the shift boot on, this is kind of how it would look with the shift boot there. Just kind of move around there a little bit. Doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna put it on because I'm not, like I said, I'm gonna be using the K-tune one next week, so this will be off already. Go ahead and put this one back on. Man, it's been raining today like crazy. It doesn't stop. It is nuts. This is a very basic, hands down, like, installation. It doesn't get more complicated. I mean, it doesn't get more easier than this. It's basically a start screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. Just give it a quick turn, and voila, we got the sun going on outside. Thanks for interrupting the vlog. Anyways, this is how it looks. Look very nice. And let's go ahead and put it back in the car so we can see the final product, at least for now, until we install the K-tune shifter. But I figured I'd do one for you guys just so I can show you guys the installation. It looks very nice. All right, so the shifter is already installed. I have to put my glasses because when I'm looking at something close, I get like dizzy or whatnot. Just been diagnosed with like farsighted, so now I gotta wear glasses all the time when I do like close-up stuff. So I didn't put back the shift knob. I ended up just putting it in. I didn't even put back the screws because the K-tune shifter, I'm gonna be putting it in next week. So I figure I just put it on right now. So let me give you guys a shot. Maybe go into like a little slow-mo or something, just to give you guys some cinematography, and I'll show you guys how it looks now before the K-tune shifter. Alright guys, so the video was fairly short, just a quick installation. It's super hot in Florida, so I had to come home and I had to come inside and change my my shirt. So yeah, I want to give a huge shout out to circuithero for sponsoring the video and sending me the shifter plate in order to install it, because the K-tune shifter will be coming in next week, and not coming in, I'm getting it from Andrew next week, and I should be installing it then. So that will be the complete shifter for at least the car. You know, the K-tune shifter with the shifter plate is going to look very nice. I will leave a description and the link below where you guys could get the shifter plate, link to the website, and link to the product where you guys could get it. And I hope you guys enjoy it, man. Thank you for the thumbs up and the subscribe that you guys and the support that you guys give every day. We're almost at 3,000 subs. Hope you guys like all the little work that I'm doing on the car. I wish it was faster. I wish parts were coming in faster. But for now, we just kind of have to roll like that. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and hopefully on the next one will be the K-tune shifter install. I'll see you guys.